Hello friends, so welcome to the Exams Made Simple, and today we are going to talk about a new video on the series International Bodies and Groupings. So this is the third video of the series, and the group about which we will be talking today is Mercosur, which is in news, and many news items came recently in past 6 to 10 days. You must have seen many news articles on this, and India is also extending its relations with this group. So this is already a very important question for next year's prelims examination as well as mains examination. Okay, so today we will be talking about this group, all that we need to know, and please provide your feedback so that we can keep making videos on topics like these. So the first and the most important thing, which in itself is a prelims question, is the full-time members. What are the full-time members of Mercosur? So remember, there are five full-time members. First is Argentina, second is Brazil, then Paraguay, then Uruguay, and then Venezuela. Okay, so I repeat: Argentina, Brazil, Paraguay, Uruguay, and Venezuela. Recently, on 3rd December, an article on Al Jazeera came and that talked about the suspension of Venezuela. So Venezuela was suspended on 1st December 2016. So it has 5 members, but recently and at present the membership of Venezuela is cancelled, suspended, sorry. So remember this. Now, why Venezuela's membership was suspended? Because it failed to comply with the democratic principles. So as per the group, what the group has mentioned is that Venezuela has failed to comply with the democratic principles and therefore its membership is suspended. Now if you want to read more about that, I have given you this link. This link is there and you can click on this link and visit the website to find more. So this is Al Jazeera's website, official news site, so you can find that. Now the above mentioned fact in itself can be a probable question. For example, they can ask you which of the following Mercosur members were recently suspended. So answer will be Venezuela. Now associate members. Now there are associate members also. They are also from the South American group only. So the first is Bolivia, then Chile, then Peru, then Colombia, Ecuador, and Suriname. So remember, Bolivia, Chile, Peru, Colombia, Ecuador, and Suriname. Now two countries are the observer countries. The first is New Zealand, and second one is Mexico. So we have to remember all these because we never know which fact will give us a prelims question. So we have to remember this. I can repeat, and the first is the full-time members: Argentina, Brazil, Paraguay, Uruguay, Venezuela. Then associate members are Bolivia, Chile, Peru, Colombia, Ecuador, Suriname, and observer countries are New Zealand and Mexico. Now what is its purpose? So its purpose is to promote free trade and fluid movement of goods, people, and currency. So as always, this is also an economic grouping, and for the economic benefit of the these 5 South American countries. So its motto is to promote free trade and fluid movement of goods, peoples, and currency. So it is now a full customs union. It is a customs union. So there are 4 or 5 different types of bilateral relations, different types of agreements, and customs union is one of them. So it is a full custom union. Now I will give you one question as an homework. You have to write that in the comment section below. So the question is, what is a custom union and how is it different from a common market? So you have to tell me first what is a custom union, and then you have to tell me how is it different from a common market. Okay, now some more trivial facts. Mercosur was established in 1991 by the Treaty of Ascension. So remember, the treaty was Treaty of Ascension, and it was later amended and updated by 1994 Treaty of Ouro Preto. So you have to remember some facts like these also. They might be asked. Now we will be dealing with Mercosur and India. This I have added because many news articles recently came in which it was mentioned that India is extending its relation with Mercosur, and why we need to know why Mercosur is important for India. So we will be discussing that. So recently India has started showing interest in the Latin America region. So Latin America में काफ़ी ज़्यादा interest show कर रहा है India. Okay, तो लैटिन अमेरिका ब्लॉक की कंट्री से ही बना हुआ है मर्कोसर, देयरफॉर मर्कोसर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ नेक्स्ट ईयर इब्सा की मीट होने वाली है. देयर इज एन इब्सा मीट नेक्स्ट ईयर. इब्सा कंट्रीज आर India, Brazil and South Africa. So remember these are also very important. IBSA in itself can be a prelims question. So IBSA countries की meet होने वाली है 2017 में, and there India will give an opinion of South-South cooperation, deeper South-South cooperation. So South-South cooperation in itself is a policy, एक policy ही है South-South cooperation की. Okay, Brazil, South Africa and India are the major propounders of this theory. Now उसके अंतर्गत India, Brazil and South Africa, they are pitching for greater cooperation. Therefore India is trying to join hands with Mercosur and SACU. SACU is South African Customs Union. So there are 5 members in South African Customs Union also. So SACU, Mercosur and India ये अपना रिलेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग कर रहे हैं in order to have deeper South-South cooperation. Okay, so आपको ये याद रखना है. Now why these groups Mercosur and SACU, they are important for India? So the first thing is that these are resource rich countries. They are resource rich countries. Okay, Brazil में भी हमने देखा बहुत सारे resources हैं, and Venezuela, and these are oil exporting countries. तो oil काफ़ी ज़्यादा है इनके पास. Then they have resources. This means now market opportunities are also there. So we can open market opportunities. Our investors can go there. So there are market opportunities for Indians. Third is that India can show Brazil, whose economy is and whose polity is dwindling at present. We can show them the right path, and thus we can strengthen our voice in the UNSC membership, because we know that G4 group is also pitching for UNSC membership. Brazil was one of the propounders in that, and if we are showing the path to Brazil, therefore that will strengthen our own UNSC membership pitch. Okay, so these are the very important points, and these are the gist of whatever that has been in news recently. So I have summarized that for you. Now this I have written that if you know all these points, then you can tackle any prelims question related to this international group. Because what they will, वो क्या पूछेंगे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, वो पूछेंगे कि इनमें से कौन सी कंट्रीज हैं जो कि मर्कोसर की मेंबर्स हैं. यू कैन टेल easily. Now which of the following are the associate members, you can tell. आप ये भी बता सकते हो कि कौन से एसोसिएट हैं, कौन से ऑब्जर्वर स्टेट्स हैं. साकू क्या है? आई हैव टोल्ड यू साकू ऑल्सो साउथ अफ्रीकन कस्टम यूनियन. आई विल मेक अनदर वीडियो इन डिटेल फॉर दैट. देन इब्सा, आई हैव टोल्ड यू, इब्सा के बारे में मैंने आपको बताया कि इंडिया, ब्राज़ील एंड साउथ अफ्रीका है. ओके, सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आई हैव डेल्ट इन डिटेल. You just need to keep an eye on this. Okay, you just need to keep an eye on this group and how the twists and turns they will take place in the near future. We have to keep an eye on that, and we have to wait and watch till that. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day, friends. One thing more, friends, that if you want, you can contribute to our website, because you know, sustaining in this scenario, having a website and all, it becomes difficult for us. So that's why we have just got this contribution link. So if you want, there's no force and all. If you want, and if you think that we are helping you, or we can help you, or we have helped you, so you can contribute to the Exams Made Simple. You can visit our website www.theexamsmadesimple.com, and there you can contribute to our whatever you wish, you can contribute. Okay, so that's all for today, friends. Thank you and have a nice day.